a 2022 Audi A1. It's coming for a reversing camera upgrade. As you can see, it's the reversing camera that we have installed into this vehicle here. Quite small. Obviously this has a factory fitted screen, so integrated into this screen for the reverse. If I switch the vehicle on, and now if I go to reverse, load up just there. Obviously, as you can see, it gives you sensors front and rear, obviously in the top left hand corner, with the reversing image and moving guidelines left and right of the steering wheel to give you your original Audi feel. If you'd like something like this, very similar on an Audi A3 as well, give us a call on 0208 554 5554.